Samuel.
My name is Alice.
My name is William. Today we will talk about the layers of soil, soil types, and the creatures that live in land. How many layers are in the soil?
There are 5 layers in the soil.
From top to bottom, there are organic layer, topsoil, subsoil, weathered rock, and bedrock.
The organic layer is made of leaf organic matter called humus. It helps make the soil fertile.
It's good for plants because it's like a sponge for water and nutrients.
The next layer, topsoil, it feels soft and porous. We plant seeds in this layer because it has plenty of space for roots to grow and absorb water and air.
Then in subsoil layers, it is harder and more compact than topsoil. Only 6 strong roots can reach here. This layer is rich in minerals and clay.
Next is the weathered rock layer. It's also known as the foliage layer. There is no organic matter and roots cannot grow here.
The next layer is called bedrock. It is the hardest, most compact layer. It is made only of rock and supports all the layers above it.
Those are the layers, but did you know there are different types of topsoil too?
There are 4 main types of soil. There are clay, silt, sand, and loam.
Loam is best for growing plants. It is made of sand and silt. It has lots of nutrients for the plants.
Sand has the biggest particles of rock, and it can come in many colors. Because of the large pieces of stone in the soil does not hold water well.
Silt has medium-sized particles of rock and can hold water better than sand. Silt is slippery and smooth when wet.
Clay has the smallest particle of stone. It holds water very well and is very compact. It is not good soil for roots to grow.
Are there any animals live in these soils?
Yes, there are creatures like earthworms, insects, tardigrades, and even bacteria. They all have important jobs to make the soil healthy for plants.
For example, earthworms dig paths in the soil. These tunnels let water and air easily go into the soil. This helps the plants grow better.
The tardigrade is a very small animal. It is only 0.5 millimeter big. It is also called water bear. This creature eats the waste the roots leave in the soil.
Bacteria and fungi will eat bad things in the organic layer. What they leave behind is called humus.
When the bacteria died, it becomes nutrient in the soil for the plants. Later, the plants died, it becomes nutrient for the bacteria in the soil.
Did you know mushroom fungus? They are delicious to eat and keep soil fertile. That is, dead leaves and animals stir like bacteria.
Bacteria are amazing. There are 5,000 different types of bacteria in 1 gram of soil. And here's one last thing about soil. There are 70,000 types of soil in USA alone. That's a lot of dirt.
Thank you for listening.
My garden. Hi, my name is Daniel. My name is Bella. My name is Anna.
Let's talk about my garden. I will explain what plants need to grow. First, all plants need the space to grow, and most of the time, this will be in soil. Also, all plants need the water, like all living things, and they can grow in water too. Then we need to remember air. Plants breathe like us. The final most important thing is sunlight, which plants eat to grow. This will also affect the temperature, which needs to be just right. The last thing we need is to give it time to grow.
Let me tell you what vegetable we can grow above and below ground. When plant seed. Something very important is seed, because seed can grow into many plants. First, we need flower pot, because flower pot can give plants more space. Next, plant need gardening form. We can make soil soap. Lastly, we need seeder, because trimming leaves will stop roots. Now, we are ready to grow some home plants. Just don't forget the watering can. Thank you for listening.
One.
Hello everyone.
My name is Shanna.
My name is Natasha.
Today we are going to talk about plant parts and their functions.
How many parts do plants have?
There are 6 parts.
There are the roots, stem, leaves, flower, fruits, and seeds. What is the root's job?
Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil.
Roots hold the plant into ground too.
How about a stem?
Actually, there are many kinds of stems.
What?
Yes, there are herbaceous stems, woody stems, vines, and others. A tree is a kind of woody stem. Its stem is big and thick. Tomatoes grow from vines. Vines grow up a stick or a tree.
How about herbaceous stem?
Cilantro is a kind of herbaceous stem. You can break their stem easily, and the stem will die with the plant. Which part is next? Leaves are next.
Leaves will grow everywhere to absorb sunlight to make nutrients for the plants. This is called photosynthesis. There are 2 kinds of veins on the leaves.
There are corolla veins and reticular veins. Corolla veins are straight and never cross.
Reticular veins have interlaced growth.
Which part is next? Flowers are next. There are many types of flowers.
Some have 5 petals or more.
The main job of a flower is to protect the seed. Inside the flower, there is the stamen and the pistil, which are the male and female parts of the plant.
The petals of corolla attract pollinators to help the plant make fruits.
We can eat most fruit, but there must be a seed inside every fruit. We can eat some seeds.
Like what?
Sunflower seeds are something we eat. Where do some seeds go after we finish the fruit?
We usually spit out the seed or animal poop them out. Then the seed lands on the soil and grows in the plants again.
This
Roti. My name is Ellie. My name is Queenie. There are 6 food groups and fruits in one group. Fruits have vitamins and fiber to keep you healthy. They can give you great energy. Fruits can be used in ice cream, frozen yogurt, fruit salad, or in pies. We can make jam from fruit too.
summer camp, we make fruit salad, banana pie.
There are many types of fruits. In Taiwan, farmers grow watermelon, pineapples, and mangoes. Taiwan is hot and wet. It's good for food farming. Grapes and fruit is apple, pineapple is cherry, and strawberry is candy. Fruit are many beautiful colors. Tomato, apple are red. Banana, mango, pineapple are yellow. Some are 2 colors like watermelon. Fruit come in many sizes. Watermelon are the biggest. Blueberry are the smallest. Thank you for listening. Hello everyone. Today we will talk about trees. My name is Jane. My name is Ella. My name is Nick. My name is Elsa. My name is Shelly. Trees are taller than bushes. many trees together is called a forest. There are many types of trees. Taiwan has comfort trees. Taiwan is called the red tree and red cedar tree. Trees are home for birds and squirrels. They make food for animals and people. Trees make auto and clean air. Wood comes from trees. We can make door furniture and houses. We can see trees at the park along the road. There are many trees in the mountains. Taipei has many beautiful trees. My school has many trees. They can keep us cool on a hot day. Trees can give us food. Not apples, pears, orange, and lemons grow on trees. Chocolate also comes from trees. Many spices come from trees.
Thank you, Martin.
Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone.
My name is Cherry.
My name is Yuli.
My name is Isaac.
Today we are going to tell you about fruits and vegetables. We will mention where they can grow and the life cycle.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite fruit is cantaloupe.
How about you, Yuli?
My favorite fruit is durian.
Do you know where your favorite fruit grows?
I forgot where the cantaloupe grows.
I know, durians grow on trees and cantaloupes grow on vines.
How about your favorite fruit, Cherry?
My favorite fruit, cherry.
Do you think cherries grow on trees?
Yes, cherries grow on trees.
We can't just talk about three fruits.
Some fruit and vegetable grow on vines. Here are some examples: cantaloupe, grapes, and tomatoes.
And some grow on bushes, like cranberries, raspberries, and blueberries.
Don't forget the ones that grow on ground, like watermelon, cabbage, and broccoli.
Yes, but some vegetables grow underground, like potatoes, onions, and carrots.
So what about the life cycle? How do we get the fruit and vegetable that we eat?
Okay, there are 5 stages of the life cycle.
It is the seed and germination. Next, seedling become a mature plant, and finally the fruit.
First, the seed gets planted in the soil. It needs sunlight and air.
The seed grows a little sprout. This is germination.
Next, the roots grow deep into the ground, and the stem pushes its way through the soil. Now this is seedling.
The plant grows toward the sun. The leaves use the sun to produce fruit. In this way, it can become a mature plant.
Insects, bugs, and birds help pollinate flowers. The flowers will turn into fruits with seeds inside.
But some of the plants that grow in water have different life cycles.
Like the water hyacinth. First, the seed jumps in the water and floats.
Then the seed absorbs a lot of water. It germinates and starts to grow. When its flower is pollinated, the seed will spread out again. Thank you everyone for listening.
Hello everyone. Today we will talk about parts of a plant.
My name is Sophie.
My name is Audrey.
My name is Jimmy.
My name is Anna.
Plants have different parts. The stem of the tree is called a trunk. The trunk is tall and strong. Trunks have growing rings. One ring is 1 year. The oldest tree in the world is 5,000 years old.
Small plants make flowers. Some are big and others are small. Flowers are different colors that smell different. Some smell great and others smell bad. We can eat some flowers like daily flowers.
Flower turn into fruits, which are used for food. Cabbage is the leaf of a plant. Broccoli is the flower of a plant. Carrots are the roots. Potatoes are the underground stem. Seeds can be eaten or used for as spice for cooking.
The plant has for our plant rose, that leaf, flower, and fruit. Then leaves to make food and make fruit to drink water. Then make flower because they need to make seeds to make babies. Thank you for listening. My name is Apple. My name is Sean. My name is Zoe. We are going to call about the story Jack in the Beanstalk. Let me tell you about 3 characters. Jack is the main one. He is young, brave, and greedy. The old man is magical. The giantess tries to help Jack, so she is kind. My favorite name is Jack. I think he's cool. I will talk about the magic item and how we could use them in our lives. They are magic beans, the golden goose, and the harp. The beans were so tall I could climb up, and the leaves in the castle. The harp makes people sleep. I could use that for a nap. The golden goose would make me so rich. Our example story tries to teach us and how it could be different. The story teaches us that being brave can lead us to glory, but we always need to be careful and think of others. Thank you for listening. Hello everyone. My name is Ariel.
My name is Nina. My name is Caroline.
Today we will talk about the edible parts of plants.
What does edible mean? Edible means it can be eaten as food.
What are the parts of plants we can eat?
We can eat the root, the stem, the leaves, the flower, the fruit, and the seeds.
I will talk about the root and flower we can eat. We can eat carrots, radish, and beets. These are examples of plant root.
How about flowers?
Sunflower we can eat broccoli, artichoke, marigold, and honeysuckle. I will talk about the leaves and the seeds plants we eat. Spinach, cabbage, amaranth, and mint leaves we can eat. Corn, beans, and peas are examples of plant seeds we eat. Next, I will talk about stems and fruit of plants we can eat.
We eat watermelon, apples, bananas, and mangoes. These are fruits.
When we eat green onion, celery, and asparagus, we eat the stem of plants. Now, we will talk about an interesting topic. Did you know plants can grow without soil?
They can.
This is called hydroponic growing.
Hydroponic means plants grow without soil. They only need water, light, air, and nutrients.
I know that hydroponic is cold water therapy is ethical but it's very eatable.
There are other hydroponic plants like sage and basil. Now we are going to talk about the difference between fruits and vegetables.
Seed oil vegetable can consist of roots, stem, and leaves. Vegetables have a more mild or savory taste and are usually eaten as part of side dish or main course.
Did you know that fruits are mistaken for vegetables?
Yes, I know soya, kale, peppers, or eggplant. Do you not know why cucumbers or eggplant are actually fruits? I don't know. They may taste like a vegetable, but they are actually fruits because they have seeds.